Welcome to Med 5. The goal of our channel is to simplify medical concepts and help you understand them in a jiffy. This video is part of our series explaining bacterial infections. Today, we're discussing gram-positive rods, or bacilli. Before we start, consider these questions. Which Bacillus species forms a protein capsule? Which bacterium causes meningitis in neonates and pregnant women? What pathogen produces a gray pseudomembrane in the throat? Which rods form spores? Keep watching to find out. Bacteria come in many shapes, but two common ones are rods, called bacilli, and spheres, called cocci. Today, we're focusing on rods, which are longer, cylindrical bacteria compared to the round cocci. Bacterial shape matters. Some rods form hardy endospores to survive tough conditions. Cocci don't form spores but may cluster or make biofilms. We've already covered Clostridia, which are also gram-positive rods. Now, let's look at 4 less commonly encountered gram-positive bacilli that may cause disease in humans. First is Bacillus anthracis, a large gram-positive rod that resembles boxcars under the microscope. It forms durable endospores and is the only bacterium with a protein capsule, which is made of poly-D-glutamate. This capsule blocks phagocytosis, a process where immune cells clear pathogens. In the lab, B. anthracis is non-motile, catalase positive, and produces non-hemolytic colonies on blood agar. Special stains like polychrome methylene blue or India ink can reveal the capsule, aiding identification. B. anthracis produces 3 toxins, protective antigen, edema factor, and lethal factor, that together make up the anthrax toxin. This combo disrupts immune cells and causes widespread damage. Anthrax has several forms. Cutaneous, which shows up as a painless black eschar. Inhalational, the most deadly form, with rapid respiratory failure. Gastrointestinal, which can cause severe abdominal distress. And injectional, seen in some IV drug users. Treatment usually starts with ciprofloxacin or doxycycline. In serious cases, antitoxins may be added. Next is Bacillus cereus, aka the fried rice bug. It's a spore-forming, gram-positive rod, but unlike B. anthracis, it's motile and produces beta-hemolytic colonies on blood agar. B. cereus is catalase positive and forms biofilms, which can help it stick to surfaces and resist antibiotics. B. cereus produces 2 toxins, causing food poisoning with different manifestations. The emetic toxin induces vomiting, usually after eating reheated rice. The diarrheal toxin, as its name implies, causes diarrhea. Symptoms of B. cereus food poisoning usually resolve on their own in a day or 2. However, the species can produce serious though rare infections, such as endophthalmitis and eye infection. Such cases require treatment with powerful antibiotics, such as vancomycin and clindamycin. Next is Listeria monocytogenes, a small, gram-positive rod with distinctive tumbling motility. It's catalase positive, beta-hemolytic, and grows at refrigerator temperatures, making unpasteurized dairy and deli meats risky during pregnancy. Though it doesn't form spores, Listeria is an intracellular pathogen. It moves between cells using host actin, a protein for cell movement, and escapes phagosomes, or immune digestive sacs, using listeriolysin, a toxin that breaks open these sacs, to avoid detection. Listeria causes meningitis in older adults and immunocompromised individuals. Pregnant women may experience miscarriage. Newborns may develop sepsis or meningitis. First-line treatment is ampicillin, often combined with gentamicin for synergy. Now, we have Corynebacterium diphtheriae, which are club-shaped or pleomorphic gram-positive rods that often appear in Chinese letter arrangements under the microscope. They're non-motile and don't form spores. In the lab, C. diphtheriae is catalase positive and grows on Loeffler's medium and telluride agar, where it forms distinctive black colonies. The ELIC test can confirm whether the strain produces toxin. C. diphtheriae produces the diphtheria toxin, an exotoxin or secreted toxin that inhibits protein synthesis. leading to local tissue death and serious complications like myocarditis and neuropathy. The hallmark of diphtheria is a gray pseudomembrane in the throat, which limits airflow by obstructing the airway. Treatment includes diphtheria antitoxin to neutralize the toxin and antibiotics like penicillin or erythromycin to clear the bacteria. Let's answer these questions. Which Bacillus species forms a protein capsule? Answer: B. anthracis. Which bacterium causes meningitis in neonates and pregnant women? Answer: Listeria monocytogenes. What pathogen produces a gray pseudomembrane in the throat? Answer: Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Which rods form spores? Answer: B. anthracis and B. cereus. Did you get them all? Marvelous! If this video helped you understand gram-positive rods better, hit like, share, and subscribe. Click the link below to access the table summarizing the differences in their microtest results. Thanks for watching.